Hello friends, today I will be showing you an unboxing of a mobile phone. Its company is swissone. It's a flip phone and there is some of the ingredients that are present on the box, as it is dual SIM, camera is present in it, FM radio, LED torch, and it can be used worldwide. Any SIM card can be used, as the person is in the national or international, person can use the any SIM card, and it can speak up to 3 hours, and the SIM card that is inserted in it, it is of standard size. There are some of the features that are being present, as integrated LED torch, vibration camera, support for wireless hand free hands, and headphone jack 3.5 mm is present in it. And there are some of the other features like alarm, calendar and calculator, FM radio, and phone book can be saved for 200 peoples, and it has 600 mAh battery. So we open the box and the phone is present in it. It's a flip phone and it is not so slim, and but it is okay phone for, it is specially made for the old peoples, as old peoples easily carry it. As we keep the phone aside and check in the box, as this is a charger. It is 0.2 ampere charger. It's not a fast charger. And this is a cable, 3 point, sorry, it is a normal cable. Yeah, there are some of the manuals present in it that the people don't ever read. It's just a wastage of time. So we on the phone, as phone is getting on, you can see that as a SIM card I have already inserted in it. See, it is still searching. See that the network of idea has came on it. There are many features in it, as we can set the speed dials in it, by which person can easily talk with it. So this was the unboxing of a mobile phone of swissone. Its model number is SC1330. It is made in China. Thanks for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Do share it.